I'm back again with another kit for Keroro week. And this one, it is called the Dororo. Yeah. And if you guys are wondering, I'm actually looking at the HLJ for the names of these guys. So, here's the front shot. And this guy's pretty cool. I think this is my either number 1 or maybe number 2, right next to Keroro. Because he's a ninja. I love ninjas. There you go. And once again, here is the Kumipla. Just a side shot with the name all covered up. Well, you can see most of it. And here's the side shot. There it is. Okay. Alright, let's start with what's on top of the box, which will be the stickers. It's pretty nice. A lot of blues and grays. Yes, I'm pretty monotone like that. Alright, here's the first runner. Here's a little bit of the arm pieces. Tops of the head for the Robo. Here's a little piece. I think these are the top of the feet, but I'm not really sure. Okay, here's the cockpit and all the other stuff. And this is, I think, a shield. Polycaps. Kumipla. Okay, and here you go. Here's a drill, looking more like a drill instead of an ice cream cone. And this one's pretty neat. Here's the sword, pretty cool. And parts of the bottom of the feet, some hands, and a little, like, I don't know what they call it. I think a hovercraft or a little something or another. And I have this upside down. And there's some little kunai daggers. I think these go on the back of the feet. So, there you go. And once again, like always, here's the manual. Here's the back of the manual. Hey, that's kind of weird. This one is in a little comic strip. Okay, well, this is a transform manual, I guess. Here is the nice little comic strip. Not much animated in this one, but it's all cool. Go. Here's a little more transformations. And ta-da! You guys could see the full thing. Pretty cool. So this one, I guess, was the last one. Was the last one? Number 18. Yeah, I think this is the last one. So you needed him to complete everything. There you go. And here's just all the little instructions and everything. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the review. Bye-bye.